नाम आरुषि कार्तिक है। मैं डाटा एंट्री में काम करती हूँ।
मम थोड़ी अलग है। मैं रेफर में काम करता हूँ।
मेरा नाम मुकुंद नंदू है। मैं यहाँ पे काम करता हूँ। थैंक यू।
What does the employment or work opportunity does to us? It gives us a sense of accomplishment. It gives us opportunity to build so many relationships. We are able to earn our money, and also it gives us a responsible role.
In the community of the disabled, people with intellectual disabilities or ID are the most marginalized. They get stigmatized because of the ignorance of others and are often viewed as a social and economic burden. Society considers them to be incapable of doing any meaningful task. Muskaan thinks otherwise. Muskaan was set up in 1982 in New Delhi by a group of parents and professionals who found a distressing lack of facilities for their children with ID. That initiative grew into today's Muskaan, a voluntary not-for-profit organization well known for providing comprehensive education and training to adults with ID. And we have been creating training and employment opportunities for them for the last 3 decades. Over the years, we have developed 3 sustainable models for the employment of adults across the ID spectrum. 1. Supported mainstream employment. 2. Supported employment within Muskaan. And 3. Special employment within Muskaan for those with high support needs. For supported mainstream employment, we facilitate and assist business enterprises to employ people with ID. We ensure the best fit between the person, the nature of the work, and the organization. We help sensitize the other employees who will become colleagues of the people with ID.
So what I would like to share with the employers is that they are very committed, loyal, and responsible employees. And one great thing happens, they humanize the environment. They can do many jobs in any organization, and simple jobs. And I think many organizations have those kind of jobs.
A recent success has been our partnership with Lemon Tree and Red Fox Hotels, where people with ID are working efficiently and effectively alongside their colleagues.
What my experience has been is that they work with great focus. They're perfectionists, in fact, and they will always deliver the service exactly as it needs to be done. And from a hotel's perspective, this is really good for the brand.
CBRE employs people with ID in the work of data entry. This experiment too has proved to be a success story.
It's not only in terms of them adding a lot of positivity to the environment, it's a kind of value they add to the work. Yes, you need to tell them what needs to be done, but if you brief them properly, the work gets done to the T.
We now come to our second sustainable model, supported employment within Muskaan. In our busy, bustling work centers, you will find people with ID producing a vast array of products of the highest quality. Some products require fine hand-eye coordination. Some require working with machines using simple technologies, while some are akin to assembly line production. The work environment is designed to match their needs and abilities. The tasks are simplified, adapted, and structured so that each person is fully engaged, productive, and comfortable. We have found that they are extremely conscious of targets, timelines, and quality standards. They thrive when given responsibilities. They work very well in teams, and their joy of creation is infectious. In our third sustainable model, people with high support needs find gainful engagement with work. though simpler in nature. Here too, we select and adapt the production process and carefully design the training program. These diligent workers are trained for tasks that are simple, yet beautiful products emerge from their hands. Products that are bought by large corporates, mainstream institutions and individuals purely for their quality and consistent standards. Being able to work and earn transforms the lives of people with ID and their families. Their personalities blossom, they communicate better, their social skills improve, and most of all, they gain self-esteem, just like you and me. People with ID deserve to be employed. They only need the right platform and the right training. We at Muskaan are happy to give both.